this is Mr. H, and we're going to work on line 17 of the Essential Elements Book 1, Hot Cross Buns. I'm going to demonstrate on my clarinet, but this video should help you on whatever instrument you play. First, I'll play the song for you once. 1, 2, ready. All right, and that's how the song goes. If you have trouble, you might want to review half notes. We'll talk about them a little bit here, but half notes get 2 counts. So the first thing we have to do is make sure we're playing the rhythm correctly when we're working on any song. And even though this has a simple rhythm, I know a lot of people maybe have learned this song faster or maybe with some different notes. But we want to make sure we're doing half notes because that's what this is about. So we're going to count and clap line 17, and it's 2 counts for every note, or 2 counts for every half note. Ready, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm trying to go nice and steady. It doesn't really matter how fast I go as long as it stays steady. And let's tap this. It'll be 2 taps for a half note, not 1 long tap. So a half note is ta. It is not ta. I have to tap my finger twice for half notes. Ready, start. Ta, 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 All right, if you need to practice that more, go ahead and pause the video and try again, or rewind the video and try and play along with the beat. But we're going to go ahead now and play Hot Cross Buns. We're adding notes to the rhythm that we just worked on. So even though you might, be able to go faster at this, we just want to add notes. And if you're having trouble changing fingerings, you'll need to practice 1 measure at a time on just the hard spots. But let's go ahead and try it slowly. My metronome is at 60. Ready, go. And let's try it again a little bit faster. If you had difficulty, don't speed up yet. Go back and practice it slow. Ready, go. And just for fun, let's try it faster. This is at 84. You don't have to go this speed until you've perfected it at the slower speeds. 1, 2, ready, start.